To fix it, we need to take apart front loader. Keep going. Perfect. Now we can fix it. Cracks and dents. We have to fix them. We need to remove the rocks with pliers. Perfect. Use a hammer to level out the dents. Perfect. Weld the cracks. Move the tool along the cracks. You're so smart. Perfect. Only thing left to do is paint. Keep going. That's it. The wires are broken. Let's fix it. To open the cover plate, rotate the switches and turn on the lights. That's a lot of dust. Let's vacuum it up. Perfect. Plug the wire into the right place. Green. Yellow. Blue. You fixed it! The tire is torn. It needs to be patched. Pick up all the junk with pliers. Excellent. That's great! Use a glue gun and fill the holes with glue. Super! Magnificent! Put the patch in semicircle. Super trapeze. Parallelogram. Octagon. Crescent. Awesome! Connect the pump to the wheel. Magnificent! Let's pump the wheel. Keep going. You solved the problem. All done. Now help to assemble front loader. I knew you could do it. You can upgrade the vehicle. Action sight.